Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's learn conditional sentences for future hopes, English Tagalog Guide. Let's dive in. Introduction. Conditional sentences help us talk about hopes, dreams, plans, and possible future situations. They often use if to express a condition and its result. Pattern: if plus present simple, will plus base verb. Example: if I study hard, I will pass the exam. Kapag nag-aral akong mabuti, papasa ako sa pagsusulit. Common future hope expressions. Number 1. If I work hard, I will succeed. Tagalog: kapag nagsikap ako, magtatagumpay ako. Number 2. If it doesn't rain tomorrow, we will go to the beach. Tagalog: kapag hindi umulan bukas, pupunta kami sa dalampasigan. Number 3. If I save enough money, I will buy a new phone. Tagalog: kapag nakaipon ako ng sapat na pera, bibili ako ng bagong telepono. Number 4. If she practices every day, she will become a better singer. Tagalog: kapag nagsanay siya araw-araw, magiging mas mahusay siyang mang-aawit. Number 5. If we continue learning English, we will become more confident speakers. Tagalog: kapag ipinagpatuloy natin ang pag-aaral ng Ingles, magiging mas kumpiyansa tayong magsalita. Short dialogue. Ana, what is your hope for next year? Tagalog: ano ang pag-asa mo para sa susunod na taon? Ben, if I get a better job, I will help my family more. Tagalog: kapag nakakuha ako ng mas magandang trabaho, mas matutulungan ko ang aking pamilya. Ana, that's a wonderful goal. Tagalog: napakagandang layunin yan. Ben, thank you. If I stay focused, I think I will achieve it. Tagalog: salamat. Kapag nanatili akong nakatuon sa aking layunin, sa tingin ko ay makakamit ko ito. Useful vocabulary. English, Tagalog. Hope, pag-asa. Succeed, magtagumpay. Achieve, makamit. Practice, magsanay. Improve, umunlad. Goal, layunin. Future, hinaharap. Confidence, kumpiyansa. Practice exercise. A. Complete the sentences. B. Translate into English. Number 1. Kapag nagsikap ako, magtatagumpay ako. Number 2. Kapag umaraw bukas, maglalaro kami sa labas. Number 3. Kapag nag-ipon siya ng pera, bibili siya ng laptop. Number 4. Kapag nag-aral ka ng mabuti, papasa ka. Number 5. Kapag nag-practice kami araw-araw, gagaling kami. Quick quiz. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. If I study hard, I blank pass the test. A will, B would, C am. Answer is letter A. If I study hard, I will pass the test. Number 2. If it doesn't rain, we blank outside. A played, B will play, C playing. Answer is letter B. If it doesn't rain, we will play outside. Number 3. Kapag nagsanay siya araw-araw, gagaling siya. A. If she practices every day, she will improve. B. If she practiced every day, she improves. C. If she is practicing every day, she improves. Answer is letter A. If she practices every day, she will improve. Speaking practice. Read these sentences aloud. Number 1. If I work hard, I will achieve my dreams. Kapag nagsikap ako, makakamit ko ang aking mga pangarap. Number 2, if I continue learning English, I will become more confident. Kapag ipinagpatuloy ko ang pag-aaral ng Ingles, magiging mas kumpiyansa ako. Number 3, if we help each other, we will succeed together. Kapag nagtulungan tayo, magtatagumpay tayo ng sama-sama. Challenge. Create 3 sentences about your own hopes for the future using if plus present simple, will plus verb. So, there you go guys. This video answer about conditional sentences for future hopes, English Tagalog guide. Thanks for watching.